If your Cash App card keeps getting declined, don't worry, we have got you covered. Because in today's video, we will show you the most common reasons why it happens and how you can fix them. So the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, open your Cash App on your mobile phone or any device, and the first thing you should do is check your Cash App balance. Now, let me tell you this, if your balance is zero, or you don't have enough funds to cover the purchase, your transaction will be declined. Make sure you have sufficient money in your Cash App account before trying again. And then make sure your Cash App account is fully verified. Now, if your account isn't verified, certain features and transactions may be restricted. So I need you to complete the verification process by providing the required information in the Cash App app, like linking your bank account or your debit card. And then another reason your card may be declining is because you have reached your Cash App transaction limits. So I need you to review your sending, spending, and withdrawal limits. If you've hit your limit, you'll need to wait until it resets or complete account verification to qualify for higher limits. In my case, since my account is fully verified, I have a higher limit, or in sometimes you have unlimited Cash App limits. And then if you have recently received your Cash App card, make sure it's fully activated. So on the Cash App, go to the card section and follow the activation instructions. An inactive card cannot be used for purchases. In my case, my card is fully activated, so I have the authority or the ability to keep getting the transactions smoothly. Now, if you've tried all of these steps and your Cash App card is still being declined, it's time to contact the Cash App support. So explain your situation carefully and provide any relevant details about the declined transactions. They can check your account for any restrictions or issues that may not be visible to you, and they will provide you some troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to fix your Cash App card keeps getting declined. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.